Give thanks to my keto friends. Give thanks to my keto friends. Thanksgiving. It's time for another episode of our Thanksgiving series.
Roll the intro.
What is up, my keto friends? And you know who you are. I'm Byron Dice.
And I'm Susan Dice.
And she didn't go before me this time. However, welcome back to another video on our channel. If this is your first time here and you want to learn how to live a simple keto lifestyle and other keto related topics, click the subscribe button. Also click the notification bell and the word all so you never miss any notification when we upload great ketogenic content here on this channel. Like I just said before, give thanks to my keto friends. It's the Thanksgiving series that we're in the middle of. Why?
How about give thanks to our subscribers?
That's our keto friends.
Oh, yeah.
What are you talking about, my guy?
Okay, I'm sorry. Stop that.
Woo! Thanksgiving series. That's what we are in right now because why? It's November and it's almost Thanksgiving. So, what better ways do we as a YouTuber channel that does ketogenic content offer up to our keto friends ways to make that Thanksgiving dinner keto-fied?
Yeah.
Why not? Now, video before this, our first video in the Thanksgiving series, we showed you how to make lupin bread, or actually bread with lupin flour, which Susan is going to make. She's going to use that to make her her dressing, but we're not showing you how to do that today. Today, we're going to show you how to make mashed potatoes, right?
Mashed potatoes.
Mashed potatoes. And what's it made up, Susan? Made up? What's it made from?
Cauliflower.
Cauliflower.
Of course.
Everyone loves cauliflower. Who doesn't?
I do. I've learned to like it.
You have learned to? Mm-hmm. You've got nothing on this video, do you? Are you checked out? So cauliflower.
Right.
Why cauliflower?
Because I guess that's the closest thing to potatoes when it comes to mashed potatoes.
Now we have done Fauxtatoes on this channel before.
We did potato salad.
Potato salad. You can see that video right above us.
And we did radish
Now, did
salad.
we use cauliflower with
Yeah.
potato salad? Okay, we also did radishes, which were both delicious, but this by far is my favorite.
I've made this like probably like 100 times for my kids. They love it. And I don't even know if I mentioned it before, but I actually, at the beginning of our journey, I had some like potato flakes left over one time. And so I was like, oh, well, I'll just make, regular potato mashed potatoes. The kids were like, oh, what's this? And we had eaten it like our whole entire lives. But after we started making the cauliflower mash, when I went back to making just the one time, the mashed potatoes, they did not like it at all. They were like, yeah. So we have them over on the keto side.
Yeah, we got them hooked on that.
They love it. It's good.
Now, the reason this is going to work around the Thanksgiving table is because mashed potatoes. People bring mashed potatoes to Thanksgiving dinner. And what are you going to do as a keto person? You going to cheat that one day? Are you? I have a cheat day?
Well, these are a little different because it's not just your standard mashed potatoes. It's kind of like a loaded mashed potatoes because we're going to use bacon and cheese in it. So it's going to be a little bit over the top, not like but you can do the standard mashed potatoes.
You could call this loaded loaded
mashed potatoes.
Mashed potatoes.
We like to do weird things.
Yeah, we do here on this channel, and we know that you do too.
Can we get to making?
Yes.
Okay, and for today's recipe, we have 2 heads of cauliflower cooked and drained. We have 2 ounces of cream cheese, 1 teaspoon of garlic powder, and 1 teaspoon of our homemade ranch powder. 2 2 tablespoons of butter, and 1 cup of crumbled bacon.
Okay, there's the cute little bowl of Fauxtato loaded cauliflower mashed potatoes. Not a potato, but you know what I'm saying. Okay.
And look how creamy it is.
Now, we showed you how to make this. We did it with a blender. Beep. It's got bacon.
Okay, wait.
What's that?
Okay, this is the thing.
Whoa, wait a minute.
I'm so sorry. That is way too much garlic. Okay, I've never made this where I actually measured out everything. I just usually sprinkle,
I don't hate it.
sprinkle,
It's just,
sprinkle.
yeah, I can taste the garlic in there.
Ooh, you want to talk about garlic breath.
Wow, vampires will love this.
Don't use that much garlic.
Hey, but I'm telling you, it's delicious, though.
Oh, but the garlic breath.
Yeah, so here's the deal. If you want to keep Uncle Fred away from you at Thanksgiving, follow these
Come here,
directions.
honey.
Yeah, follow these directions to the T. However, if you want people to come around you more enjoyable, might want to back off the garlic scotch. I'm not sure how much you should back off. What did you use?
I think use like maybe a quarter of a teaspoon. I usually just sprinkle. Usually I'm a sprinkler. I don't use actual spoons and stuff. Yeah.
That's popping like my knees going up the stairs.
Dude, the kids would not eat this. It would be too spicy.
Yeah, that's got some kick to it because of the garlic. Now, garlic, I don't remember. Garlic is just more garlic. Garlic usually isn't spicy.
Yes, it is. Yeah. Dude, this bacon.
Look, I'm telling you. As far as the loaded baked potato, this is it. Cheese, bacon, and I can't even tell this is cauliflower.
Yeah.
Seriously, I can't tell.
It's really good, but just do garlic to taste. Do not use, I think I said half of a teaspoon.
I forgot what you said. I forgot what you did. What day is it?
Yeah, don't do that. Do garlic to taste.
Okay.
But the ranch, yes, the ranch powder.
Oh yeah, the ranch powder. That's the deal. Now you've made this before, so the ranch needs to dominate this flavor.
Yeah.
In my opinion.
And it definitely is garlic.
I need a cup of coffee. Woo. Okay.
But it tastes good. It's a really good.
It's really delicious, guys. I'm telling you.
The texture is really.
If you like
spot
garlic.
on. We're talking over each other.
Oh.
The
garlic.
the texture, I can't even talk, is spot on.
It is spot on.
Yeah.
Texture spot on. You know what I'm saying? That's great. Now listen. What's coming up in our next series? In our next video for Thanksgiving series.
So
what do we got for the folks at home, John?
The thing that we have a big family, and so when we have Thanksgiving, we usually all make like 1 or 2 dishes and bring it. As long as I can remember, I've always been the sweet potato casserole person.
Right.
I always do sweet potato casserole.
Which that's been a staple at the Thanksgiving table.
And so I shall hate it for my family, but they ain't getting sweet potato casserole this year.
Don't tell them what you're gonna do. Nah,
come on.
No, don't tell them. It's a secret. But we're replacing the sweet potatoes with something else you're gonna enjoy.
And it's not cauliflower.
That's coming up. That's coming up in a couple of videos. Not sure when.
Yeah.
However, is there anything else that we're for them to look forward to?
We're going to make
Thanksgiving? Dressing, which I mentioned the lupin flour bread. She's going to use that for the dressing.
And pecan pies.
Woo! Pecan pies. Wait a minute. Shut your mouth, Georgia. Because y'all lost. Roll Tide, whatever. I don't know why I threw that in there. All right, guys, that's the video. Hope you enjoyed it. Hope you make this for your family during the Thanksgiving season. If you, if you want to try to keep it keto-fied during Thanksgiving, I know it's tough, but it can be done. Give us a like on this video. Comment down below if you've made this recipe or if you have any suggestions for things that we need to make for the Thanksgiving table. And we're not going to make cranberry sauce. I'm sorry. It's just not going to happen. However, we will make something else if it's doable and if it's in our wheelhouse to do. So thanks for that. Make sure you share this video. Make sure you subscribe and tell your friends about us, and follow us on all our social media, which you can find at the end of this video. Until next time, remember,
stay thankful.
Oh, dang it.